Good evening, dear teacher. This is the video interaction of the activity 2. In this case, we can talk about the superlative and comparative. The superlative and comparative, there are adjectives who can describe for a person or things. They are most for use for a grammar and rules of the situation in the subject describe the action of the verb. In this case, use comparative adjectives which with adding er or at the end of the adjective, placing more or before. Or for example, this is case is bigger than one. She's more intelligent in her sister. We are also possible the someone's or something by saying there are more particular quantity or more another. In this case, use the superlative adjectives for more adding the before adjective and est. For example, this is the biggest pieces of cake. About the rules, we can use in different situations. When one syllable adjectives, we use comparative by adding with er. Example, thing, the base of basic adjectives, or we can change in comparative for thinner. In the second rule, we can use with silent in e or only r. For example, nice, nicer, wide, wider. In the sentence, for use comparative, you can use when we qualify by using words and phrases much, a lot, or slightly. You should, for example, you should go by train, or will be much cheaper. In this case, for a rule for superlative, one syllable adjectives for the superlative by adding the before adjectives and put et. In this case, you can use for example, fin, the finest. Can you, if you need a more specific situation, you have put in the two syllables with ending for ed or eng, or full or less, or well for comparative superlative mode. In this example, worried, more worried, the most worried. Boring, more boring, or the most boring. And we have a special situation. We have the opposite of the comparative superlative. We have the er or es or more or most. In this case, if it's the negative form. For example, the sofa is more comfortable, or I will always be less patient than my sister. So this is that we can use the comparative and superlative in English. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.